Your guide to HVAC happiness. Steps to find the right contractor. Air Conditioning and Heating of Houston Company. To ensure quality service, prioritize licensed professionals with the necessary licenses and insurance coverage. Licensed contractors provide peace of mind and protection for your home and investment. Seek recommendations from friends and neighbors to find a qualified and trusted heating and cooling contractor. Their experiences can help you make an informed decision and ensure customer satisfaction. Gather information about your existing system's model and maintenance history for accurate assessments and tailored solutions. Understanding your system's needs enables the contractor to provide the best recommendations. Arrange for an on-site assessment to assess your system and home accurately. This allows the contractor to identify any issues and propose suitable solutions. Validate insurance coverage to protect yourself against potential damages or accidents. Ensure your contractor has the necessary insurance to provide a worry-free experience. Inquire about energy-efficient solutions to reduce long-term energy costs. Explore options that can help you save money while keeping your home comfortable. Obtain written proposals and contracts to evaluate multiple bids and ensure transparency. Review project costs, warranties, and terms to make an informed decision. For more information, visit us at https://airconditioningandheating.com.